Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ryan with Tundra 4x4.club, and today I thought we would do a quick unboxing of that differential drop kit that we just got. Let's do that now. As always, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that little icon down below and click to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can see every single time we do some videos. Alright, so the differential drop kit that I got is off of Amazon and it's from Supreme Suspensions. I'll put the link in the description down below. As I'd said before in the other videos, there's really not much to this kit. This is pretty much all you have. We have some Supreme suspension swag here, if you will, and some spacers that you're going to use for your skid plate. Simple, easy to follow instructions with color pictures. That's rare these days. And then your kit. I mean, this is it. This is all you have. Your spacers, you have your bolts, you have the nuts, and you know, there's not much to it. I said it's simple. This is $29.99, and this is going to save your CV joints from that unwanted angle when you do lift your truck. So we plan on installing this here probably tomorrow or the next day, and then we'll be able to see the differences from the before and the after. Now, we are planning another trip out to the desert this weekend, and I want to know from you, what kind of off-roading do you want to see the Tundra perform in? Do you want to see some rock crawling stuff? Do you want to see some high-speed desert stuff? Is there any camera angles that you prefer when you watch the videos from before? More drone footage maybe? Go ahead and let me know down in the comments below what you would like to see, because we are going out this weekend, and I plan on filming a lot, but I want to make sure it's something that you guys enjoy. Once again, I'm Ryan with Tundra 4x4.club, and I thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll catch you next time on the back roads.